Huey. Oh, you're mad at me, eh? I was just joking. You don't even fit in there. Hey? I was just joking, sweetie. I would never do that. You're my baby. Aww. Forgive me? Hey. Aww. Made me feel bad. I was just trying to be funny. It's not like I plugged you in or anything. See? See? Not plugged in. No nothing. Oh. Okay. Alright, I was just joking. Alright. Oh, now you want to go on the stove? You're so silly. Hey? You're silly.